Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Lexus wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and any tools you might need, like a small flathead screwdriver if your vehicle requires it. Always ensure your Lexus is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. It's also a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it from scratches if the wiper arm accidentally drops. Now let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be gentle, as you don't want to bend the arm. Next, look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab or button, then slide the old blade down and off the hook of the wiper arm. Remember to hold onto the arm firmly so it doesn't snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe their operation closely, ensuring they make full contact with the glass and provide a smooth, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. This confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.